1,000 words in 2 minutes. Let's do this. Yo. In a couple minutes, I'ma have to kill it. All the haters that just sit up on the web, but they will say that they don't feel it. But I'm never gonna listen to these idiots who dumb as fuck. I punch them and I kick them and I hit them with an uppercut. They told me that I got a record that I gotta break it. Get your woman naked in the garden show with talking stick. I fill my lungs up in the air and bust Nutella. Hyperventilate 1,000 words, 120 seconds. Let me get it straight. I'ma grab the motherfucking sun and take a bite of it. I see a rapper try to say sick video vitamin. You know the Mr. Mac up on the track like it's a Viking ever rip the fuck a beat up in a bitch when I go psycho quick. All the ladies in the world is like I love you, Mac. I start the brain up in your fucking noggin when I bust a rap. I find a beat. I really wanna kill him and I do it all. The mumble rappers in the game and diamond sound stupid. I'm an artist with a plan to stack of money in the video. So fashion is a game except the truth. I wanna spit it slow. You don't like the way that I be rapping, fucking sue me. I'ma get up on the stage and whip it out. You call me Louie. I'ma kill the group of Danny Mac and with the skill. I am the king. I order you to have a pizza every meal. You have to treat you like a bag of Doritos. I swear to God, I tape it, mash it, and I throw you in the back of a vehicle. I'm a missile with the flow. I'm like a rapper torpedo. I got a gun up in my hand that says a Danny DeVito, but now you're thinking like the fuck at the Titanic. If anybody want a piece of this, I'm saying can I have the plan? Now listen to me. I don't give a fuck about this shit. A rapper's man, a roto book, a chopping is 100 million chapters, baby. I could probably squat a fucking elephant for 50 reps. I need to breathe a little bit of air, and I'm gonna give my brother climb right up the wall like I'm a ninja with a weapon. I'm an angel and I'm evil, and bitches up in heaven. Everybody call me lethal. I've been rapping 20 years. I walk on water like I'm Jesus on the rappers and the cheers before I get up in the ring and fight a rapper. I'm a dip, although my hands are broken glass, so I can leave the fucker battered. I'ma hit him with a bat right in the head and deli dead and make a break up every single word you gotta say. Let me take a breath so I can get back on the drums again and sneak up on you like I'm the Phantom of the Opera with a mask over my face, but my teeth into your throat, and then I'm drinking every droplet of your motherfucking blood, my friend. I'm just a product of Peter, the clip will pop in the heater. I got the spots of a cheetah, so when I got it, you better walk away and rap it like a lunatic. I burn the mic, I buzz it up on YouTube for the stupid chips. Where'd you go? So let me take another breath. I'm looking hella dope and I've been popping since I made the pancake cook up on the stove. And now you rappers up on YouTube better treat me like a book, cause I'm the fucking original. You're just tough in the chemicals and you sucking like chemicals. Anybody that's lyrical better just know I'm coming with the illest flow. Ever try to kick that bullshit, you get your toe severed. Flames coming out my lungs, you know I'm crushing every drum that ever pop up in the warpath. Burning everything that I can see or smell or hear. There's such a fire in the sky and it's a motherfucking forecast. People wanna say Mac just raps fast. Really? He ain't saying shit. You just mad cause you can't speak alien. Let's do it. Gotta spin a lot of fucking words, it's just a little time about it, but Obama's like a so I can blow your mind and make it look so easy. Everybody wanna try it, but your lungs are probably suffocated and you'll end up dying. I'ma take a sword and cut my fucking capillaries open, lava coming out my mouth and I'm a rap so fucking smoking. Anybody wanna try to play the game with Mac is losing? I be coming like a Wolverine, I show my teeth to show 'em. I'm about to silly rapper on the plate and daily bleeding. I'll be taking every dollar out your pocket, now we even. I'll be taking every crumb out of your plate that's throwing me. What the fuck you gonna do? I crack your soul and then I reach and I'm the best that ever did this. Haven't rapped, they're not a match for me. You gotta know that I can drop a lance so hard I crack the tree and poke you in the eyeball with a mic cord. Now you have to see that when I rap I don't have to breathe.